Welcome! This video is about problem solving. Have you perhaps got a problem that you feel stuck in, that you just can't get over it, you can't move forward, you can't take a step forward? Well, this is a wonderful time for you to spend with me. So take a pen and page and make time to write down a few of my pointers. If you have this problem that's just not moving forward and you feel that you try this, you try that, but nothing seems to be budging, this would be a wonderful process to experience. G. Egan in 1966 produced a problem-solving solution structure and strategy which take you from wherever you are and you can travel over the bridge of troubled waters onto better pastures. So whether you're going through a divorce or whether you're going in a structure at work where you just can't seem to get over this issue, or maybe there's changes at work that are very problematic to you, this would be something that you could actually practice out and see if you can move that problem into a different stage. The story, in brackets, is the problem. So what is the problem? Write it down. See if you can just write it down. Give bullet points to yourself. The problem is, and so the next stage of the problem is, what is the possibilities in this problem? And what are the trouble points of the problem? What are the rigid trouble points that don't move, that are rigid? Write that down. And the second stage we can take is the opportunities. So now we have the problem, we know what's rigid in the problem that won't move, these are the things that can't change, and now we're going to look at the opportunities that you have available. Well, what opportunities do you have? Say for instance we take an example of a business that has got cash flow problems, and if you're out there in the market and a business owner, you will know that's a daily issue. Maybe the opportunities are to accelerate your advertising, or maybe have your staff all come and do a vision board that you can move forward and see what is possible within the system. It's not only your own problem, it's everybody's problem within the business to move forward so that you can keep your staff, you can generate more capital and be more successful. So by having this vision from all members of staff, it doesn't have to be a senior person, it can also be your junior person there, right there in your business, that has a brilliant idea. Those are the opportunities. So what are they? Are they media? Can you advertise in media? Can you advertise on Facebook? Can you get word of mouth? It's very slow. So it doesn't generate business, it will generate business in time, but you need cash flow now. So those are the issues that you do, and write down your opportunities. From there, from your opportunities, what are the possibilities that these things could generate capital? The possibilities are structures that you can take from your opportunities and move further along the line. Investigate them. Phone people and find out what do their advertising costs, or where should you go? Should you go media system, or should you go voice system, or should you go into the papers and magazines? These are only examples. Your situation might be totally different, but this is an example. From your opportunities and your possibilities comes a change, and the change needs to happen right now, here and now. You have to see the end result now instead of seeing it in the future. You have to bring that end result right here and focus on the end result every day. Make it a mantra, make it a situation that is focused on all the time, the end result. From the change, you will have your commitment. You need commitment. You need commitment from each staff member, example, that they deliver what they have been able to bring out in your vision for your business. And then to be able to bring the vision into the mission, and to be able to go out there and to produce what you are thinking. That would be your problem solved. Example, a second one, divorce. You can't see eye to eye. You're thinking this system might work in business, but it doesn't work in your daily life. Well, I'd like to introduce you to the problem-solving situation in a divorce. Two partners don't see the same thing eye to eye. and they don't want, your partner doesn't want to go for counseling, doesn't want to integrate, doesn't want to feel threatened by a counselor listening to your problem, I would suggest then the one partner goes for counseling. The one partner improves, and as that person improves and finds the story, finds the problem-solving issues and the difficulties, the possibilities and the opportunities, they will be able to come back home and say, I am prepared to work through this problem, whether the problem is communication or lack of finance or rearing the children in a different manner. I am prepared to work at it 100%. If you are not prepared to work at it 100%, I am prepared to put 100% forward. You often find the partner then slowly comes out of his shell and joins you in the process of success, in finding solutions. Problem solving is the determination of moving over the bridge of troubled waters, and to know that you have the courage to get there with perseverance and commitment. You need commitment, whether it is, example, the divorced couple, the one committing to solving the problems and the other slowly warming up to that solution. You will find that some kind of marrying with the two, the stubbornness and the committed, will be able to have a solution there. And in your business, or whether it's the business, a model that I gave you, you will have commitment from each staff member to pull up their socks and work towards the vision and the mission of your business. I hope this has been successful in giving you some kind of structure with the bullet points that I've given you towards solving your problem. Thank you for listening and being part of this today.